बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरी आप सब खैरियत से। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। Summary: The magnifying power is defined as the ratio of the angle subtended by the image as seen through the optical device to that subtended by the object and the unaided eye. The resolving power of an instrument is its ability to distinguish between two closely placed objects. The ability of the eye to change the focal length of its lens so as to form a clear image of an object on its retina is called its power of commendation. The disability of the eye to form distinct images of distant objects on its retina is known as nearsighted. The nearsighted eye can be corrected with glass or contact lenses that use diverging lenses. Light ray from the distant object will diverge by this lens before entering the eye. The disability of the eye to form distinct images of nearby objects on its retina is known as farsightedness. This defect can be corrected with the aid of a suitable converging lens. The refract the light rays more towards the principal axis before they enter the eye. Multiple choice. Choose the correct answer from the given choice. Number 1. Which of the following quantity is not changed during the refraction of light? Number A. Its direction, its speed, its frequency, its wavelength. A converging mirror with a radius of 20 cm creates a real image 30 cm from the mirror. What is the object distance? Minus 5.0 cm, minus 7.5 cm, minus 15 cm, minus 20 cm. An object is placed at the center of curvature of concave mirror. The image produced by the mirror is located out beyond the center of curvature. At the center of curvature, between the center of curvature and the focal point. At the focal point, an object is 14 cm in front of a convex mirror. The image is 5.8 cm behind the mirror. What is the focal length of the mirror? Minus 4.1 cm, minus 8.2 cm, minus 9.9 cm, minus 20 cm. The index of refraction depends on the focal length, the speed of light, the image distance, the object distance. Which type of image is formed by a concave lens on a screen? Inverted and real, inverted and visual, upright and real, upright and visual. Which type of image is produced by the converging lens of human eye? If it views a distant object, real, erect, same size, real, inverted, diminished, visual, erect, diminished, visual, inverted, magnified. Image formed by a camera is a real, inverted and diminished, visual, upright and diminished, visual, upright and magnified, real, inverted and magnified. If a ray of light is glass is incident on an air surface at an angle greater than the critical angle, the ray will reflect only, partially refract and partially reflect react only. The critical angle for a beam of light passing from water into air is 48.8 degrees. This means that all light rays with an angle of incidence greater than this angle will be absorbed, totally reflected, partially reflected and partially transmitted. Totally transmitted. Review question. Number 1. What do you understand by reflection of light? Draw a diagram to illustrate reflection at a plane surface. Describe the following terms used in reflection: normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. State laws of reflection. Describe how they can be verified graphically. Graphically define refraction of light. Describe the passage of light from parallel side transparent material. Define the following terms used in refraction: angle of incidence, angle of refraction. What is meant by refraction? refractive index of a material. How would you determine the refractive index of a rectangular glass slab? State the laws of refraction of light and show how they may be verified using a rectangular glass slab and pins. What is meant by the term total internal reflection? उम्मीद है आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. हमारी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन के बटन दबाना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक यू.